Tongkat Ali and Health. When it comes to sexual health, especially for men, Tongkat Ali is often placed in the category of testosterone-enhancing herbs. Other herbs in this category include horny goatweed, the Epimedium genus, and Tribulus terrestris, also known as puncture vine, tribulus, and goat's head. Research indicates that Tongkat Ali may help to boost testosterone production in men. Testosterone is the main steroid hormone that causes the development of secondary sexual characteristics in males, like more muscle mass and facial hair. Testosterone is also linked to sexual health in men. One study, a systematic review, found that Tongkat Ali helped to improve testosterone levels in men. A systematic review is a study that combines all research on the subject of interest and analyzes the results. This study found that supplementation with Tongkat Ali increased the testosterone levels in the blood of healthy men and men with hypogonadism. Hypogonadism in males is a condition in which the testicles don't produce enough testosterone. Hypogonadism in males can have a wide range of causes, from infection and testicular injury to the effects of chronic illness treatment and obesity. In addition to improving testosterone levels, research also indicates that Tongkat Ali may help to improve erectile dysfunction, which is the inability of a man to get or sustain an erection that is firm enough for sexual intercourse. Erectile dysfunction often affects men over 40 years of age due to conditions such as high blood pressure, obesity, diabetes, and low testosterone levels. While research suggests that supplementing with natural approaches like arginine can help improve blood flow and erectile dysfunction, Tongkat Ali may also benefit the condition. One double-blind, placebo-controlled, randomized study looked at the effects of Tongkat Ali or placebo on 45 men over the course of 6 months. The age range of the men involved in the study was between 47 and 52 years of age. All of the men struggled with erectile dysfunction. The study found that the men who received both a Tongkat Ali supplement and erectile function training had better outcomes than those who used a placebo alone. Studies suggest that Tongkat Ali may also benefit men experiencing testosterone deficiency syndrome, TDS. TDS is a condition that occurs during aging whereby the body produces less testosterone. It is estimated that men older than 60 years old have 45% to 50% less testosterone than younger men. Symptoms of TDS include fatigue, increased body fat, a lowered libido, and even osteoporosis. Erectile dysfunction is also common with those suffering from TDS. Studies estimate that approximately 80% of men will experience TDS as they age. Studies show that Tongkat Ali may help to reduce the symptoms of TDS by acting as natural testosterone replacement therapy. One study found that Tongkat Ali supplementation helped improve testosterone levels while lowering blood sugar levels. Research suggests that Tongkat Ali may also benefit women entering into menopause. One double-blind, placebo-controlled, randomized study followed 112 women aged between 41 and 55. These women were either at the cusp of menopause or had entered into menopause and were experiencing hot flashes and abnormal blood lipid profiles. The study found that supplementation with a product that contained Tongkat Ali helped to reduce the sensation of hot flashes as well as improved both low-density lipoprotein, LDL, and triglyceride levels. The placebo group did experience a reduction in hot flashes at a slightly lower rate than the Tongkat Ali group, but there were no beneficial changes in lipid profiles.